So I'm Lockie, we're here at the community garden at Melbourne Uni. So the community garden was established in 2013 after a long push by the Student Environmental Collective. The facilitators, myself included, we run workshops and working bees which just educate the students and other members of the Melbourne University community about gardening, establishing community, as well as just increasing the biodiversity on campus. This here is my favourite aspect of the garden. It's the Permaculture rock garden, and at the moment we've got a lot of herbs, including mint and sage, which students are welcome to come in and take some and put it in their tea, or just take it home and use it in their cooking. So to get involved in the community garden, the best thing people can do is just send us an email or follow us on social media, being Facebook and Instagram, and we put up all our events and upcoming workshops, working bees on there. That's probably the best way to get involved.